and sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng account sa Involve Asia. So, napaka-basic lang to guys, and ituturo ko sa inyo step by step kung paano. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. So, tara, simulan na natin. So, first, kailangan mo ng email address. Kung wala ka pang email address, pwede kang gumawa ng Gmail account, no? And yun yung gagamitin mo. Kung hindi ka marunong, isearch mo lang sa Google or sa YouTube. Sobrang daming tutorials dyan. And kung meron ka ng email account, no, so proceed na tayo sa tutorial. So, ilalagay lang natin yung active email address natin dito sa email. Ayan. And huwag nyo kalimutan maglagay ng password. And then guys, pag lagay na kayo ng password, click nyo lang yung create account. And as you can see sa screen natin, nakalagay dyan, is we've sent a verification link to blank. No email, check your spam folder or click resend below. So, i-check lang natin yung Gmail account natin kung nag-send nga ba si Involve Asia ng verification link, no? So, tara, tignan natin. So, ayan, no? As you can see, na-receive natin yung link na binigay ni Involve Asia, no? For verification of our account, no? So, ang gagawin natin guys, i-click lang natin yung verify email. Ayan. So, and then, wait lang natin na mag-load. Ayan. So, ayan nakalagay dyan. Your email has been verified. Please log in. So, meaning, na-verify na po yung account natin. And pwede na po tayong mag-log in sa account. And lalagay lang natin dyan yung email address natin and password. No? And click login. So, pag nakapagpasok na kayo guys, pag napasok na kayo sa Involve Asia, ito yung bubungad sa inyo, no? So, basahin nyo lang, i-try nyo na i-understand, no? So, begin your onboarding and start earning, no? So, help us personalize your homepage by answering a few questions. Choose the main property you would like to promote with, no? So, pili ka lang dyan guys kung ano yung property na gusto mo na paglagyan ng mga promotional links mo, no? So, personally, yung pinili ko dito is I promote on social media, no? Kasi yan yung main property ko ngayon. And hindi ko pa na-explore yung ibang option katulad ng sa apps, software, or sa affiliate network, no? So, ito lang guys yung pipiliin muna natin ngayon. I promote on social media. And pinutin nyo lang yung next. Okay, dito naman. Select one social media account. This will be your main account. You can add more after signing up, no? So, piliin nyo lang dyan guys kung anong meron kayo, no? So, para sa akin, meron akong Facebook account, no? And ito yung pipiliin ko, no? So, pindutin mo lang yung Facebook and lalabas dyan yung option na add URL. Ayan. So, ngayon, dito, what do we call your property, no? So, kahit anong name naman, okay naman yan. Pero I suggest na ilagay mo yung name ng Facebook page mo or yung name ng page or yung platform na ginagamit mo. So, para sa akin, ginamit ko lang yung name ko kasi yun yung gagamitin ko as my main property, no? So, lalagay ko lang dito yung pangalan ko. And then, para makuha natin yung link ng ating Facebook is pupunta lamang tayo sa Facebook app. Ayan. And once na-open nyo na yung Facebook app, go ahead and click this profile icon. Ayan. And mapupunta kayo sa profile nyo. No? So, I want you to click these 3 dots. Ayan. And pindutin nyo yung your profile link. No? Ayan. Copy link. And then, balik kayo sa website or sa Google. And dito nyo ilalagay yung social media URL nyo. So, ayan. Make sure guys to watch this video until the end kasi para wala kayong ma-miss na mga steps, no? Kasi mahirap na pag skip nyo tapos may mga details kayo na hindi masyado naintindihan or mga steps kayo na masyado hindi maintindihan and mahirapan kayo sa pag-register, no? So, very crucial na panoorin itong video na to hanggang sa dulo. So, next step na tayo guys. So, do your followers recognize you? And I suggest na piliin nyo yung yes, they recognize me. And piliin nyo lamang dito yung followers na meron kayo, no? So, be honest guys, kung meron kayong 1,000 followers, click nyo yung 1,000 followers. Kung meron kayong below 1,000 followers, piliin nyo yung below 1,000 followers, no? In my case, meron akong 777 followers. So, it is below 1,000. So, I choose the below 1,000 followers option, no? What would you like to promote, no? So, para sa akin, nagpo-promote ako. Meron akong Facebook page about mobile phones. So, ang pipiliin ko dito is tech and electronics, no? So, just pick, guys, kung anong niche yung fit para sa'yo, no? So, if you are promoting skincare products, just choose beauty. Or if you are promoting health and wellness, or if you are promoting if you are making content about parenthood, fashion, hobbies and arts, no? So it's up to you guys. So dito yung pinili ko personally is I am an individual, and I'm assuming na kayo mga bagong users ng Evolve Asia is mga individual din, no? So, piliin nyo lang yung I am an individual. So, lagay nyo lang dyan yung name nyo, first name and last name. And dito naman sa Evolve Asia profile name, I suggest na ilagay nyo lang dyan yung name nyo. And dito naman sa country of residence, piliin nyo lang yung Philippines. Of course, if you are a Filipino, just choose Philippines. If you are otherwise, just choose accordingly, no? Based on your country of residence. Audience country, no? Very crucial din to. No? So, piliin nyo dito mga if your audience is Filipinos, choose Filipinos. If you have audience that are outside Philippines, no, you can choose different country. So, yan. After that, piliin nyo lang yung it's up to you guys kung ano yung gusto nyo na currency, no? Pero para sa akin, yung pinili ko dito is MYR, which is Malaysian ringgits. And dito naman sa mobile number, of course, yung code natin dito is 63. Yan. And ilalagay lang natin dito yung mobile number natin. And pagkatapos nyo mag-register, i-submit lamang, no? I-double check nyo kung tama yung mga information na nalagay nyo. And kapag na confirm nyo na okay na yung mga information or yung mga details na nilagay nyo, double check nyo na, and pwede kayong mag-proceed na i-submit yung application, no? And that's it, no? That's it, ganun kadali. And once nakapag-sign up na kayo, lalabas tong notification na to na sign up completed, no? Thank you for signing up. We will need 48 working hours to review your information, so hang tight. We will notify you via email at modest or once approved. In the meantime, you may explore our homepage or visit Involve Academy to learn more about what we do, no? So, explore dashboard. And dito guys, ituturo yung step by step, no, on how affiliate marketing works. Ituturo dito kung ano yung mga ways na pwede kayong kumita, ano yung mga methodologies, no? So, ayan. Explore nyo lang guys, and may tutorial naman dyan na pwede nyo panoorin, and meron din silang vlog kung saan meron silang mga tutorials about Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform, no? So, ayan. So, that's it. No, after 2 days, message lang ako. And after 2 days, mag-update lang sila kung na-verify na yung account mo. And pwede na kayong magsimula na mag-promote sa social media and kumita ng pera. No, so after 2 days, i-message mo lang ako, and then I will guide you on how to start and possibly earn your first earning on Involve Asia. No? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to follow me on every social media platforms, and I will see you on next video.